You ready to try some hot sauce? This is from kempature208, and this is their Balsamic Habanero. And I have to tell you something. I was supposed to do like a open review, but instead I just opened it and ate it all weekend, and I have zero regret. Zero regret. Butter lettuce and some avocado. Look at this texture. If you like balsamic, it's amazing. Look at that. I love everything about this. It's perfect on butter lettuce and avocado, and that's what I've been doing all weekend. If you like balsamic vinaigrette, I've never tried a spicy balsamic, and I don't think I'll ever go back to normal balsamic. That was a very demure bite. I'm so happy about all of this. Okay, I got more to do. Have a good day. And I could just do this all day. Like,